Have you ever felt like you're living life on autopilot, stuck in the same loop while others around you seem to crack the code to success effortlessly? Here's a hard truth. Most people live their entire lives without realizing they're one decision away from becoming smarter than 99.5% of the population. And the craziest part? It's easier than you think. Not long ago, I was just like everyone else, drowning in distractions, spinning my wheels without any real progress. Then I decided to do something radical. I devoured over 100 books in 1 year, and more importantly, I applied what I learned. That one decision changed everything. Today, I'm going to show you how you can tap into that same potential, how you can elevate your intelligence, solve problems with ease, and achieve more than you ever imagined. No genius IQ required. You've been lied to. Being smart isn't about knowing all the answers or acing every test. Real intelligence is a relentless curiosity, a burning desire to explore new ideas, challenge everything you think you know, and ask the right questions. Remember when you were a kid and every new thing was an adventure? That's what it takes. I remember one of the first books that truly shifted my perspective. It wasn't about facts or formulas. It was about learning how to learn. The moment I reignited that childlike curiosity, my entire world expanded. Want to become smarter? Start by falling back in love with learning. Find a topic that lights you up, dive deep, and, here's the secret, teach it to someone else. You'll be shocked at how quickly you start mastering what you learn. Most of us are drowning in noise, news, gossip, pointless scrolling. It's all just clutter clogging up your brain and killing your focus. I was an information junkie too, until I tried something radical. I went on an information diet. I cut out everything that didn't serve my goals. No more mindless content, no more irrelevant facts. And you know what happened? My productivity went through the roof. Suddenly, I wasn't just busy, I was moving forward, laser focused on what really mattered. Stop confusing being informed with being intelligent. Start consuming only what challenges you and helps you grow. That's how you break free from the noise and rise above the rest. Your mind is like a web browser with 100 tabs open, constantly jumping from thought to thought, task to task. Want to clear the clutter? Try this. Every morning, take 5 minutes to brain dump. Write down every single thought spinning around in your head. At first, it'll feel pointless, but stick with it. Soon you'll feel your mind decluttering, your focus sharpening, and your creativity soaring. It's like slamming the reset button on your mental bandwidth. 5 minutes a day can change everything. Knowledge is worthless without action. You can read 1,000 books, but if you never apply what you learn, it's just entertainment. Here's where 99.5% of people fail. They collect knowledge, but never transform it into skills. That's where deliberate practice comes in. Choose one skill you want to master. For me, it was public speaking. Every day, I practiced with intent, recorded myself, critiqued myself. It was brutal, but the results were undeniable. 1 year later, speaking in front of a crowd felt like second nature. This is how you turn information into transformation. Stop being a collector and start being a creator. You think you don't have time for exercise because you're focused on mental growth? Here's the kicker. Your brain craves movement. I used to think exercise was a waste of time until I committed to just 20 minutes a day. And the result? My mind became sharper, my ideas flowed like never before, and my energy levels were off the charts. Your body fuels your brain. Don't neglect it. The biggest obstacle to becoming smarter isn't out there. It's in here. It's the stories you keep telling yourself. I'm not good at this. I can't do that. These stories are just mental prisons. I lived in that prison for years until I asked myself, what's really holding me back? It was never about my skills. It was about fear. Fear of failure, fear of judgment. The moment I smashed through those mental barriers, it felt like taking the brakes off a car. Don't let your stories write your future. Rewrite them. Overthinking is like a black hole that sucks up your energy and potential. I used to be trapped in that cycle, endlessly analyzing every decision until I was too exhausted to take action. Then I stumbled upon a game-changing question. What's the worst that could happen? Suddenly, my fear of making the wrong choice melted away. Stop letting overthinking kill your momentum. Decide, act, adjust, repeat. Stress is the silent killer of intelligence. When I was overwhelmed, I'd panic, freeze, and make terrible decisions. But then I realized stress isn't the problem, it's how you react to it. I started reframing my mindset, turning "this is too much" into "I've got this." The more I controlled my reactions, the more power I had. Stop letting stress drive. Put yourself back in the driver's seat. Your environment shapes your mind. When I was surrounded by chaos, both physical and digital, my focus was shattered. So I decluttered everything: my workspace, my digital life, even my relationships. When you clear your space, you clear your mind, and that's when the real magic happens. Becoming smarter isn't just about a single grand decision. It's about consistent, small choices that add up over time. I built daily routines that challenged both my mind and body: reading, practicing new skills, meditating, and exercising. It was tough at first, but soon it became my new normal. And the compound effect? Life-changing. Intelligence isn't a gift. It's a habit you build every day. So, do you want to stay average? Or are you ready to join the 0.5% who actually take control of their intelligence? Remember, becoming smarter than 99.5% of people isn't about luck or genetics. It's about making one choice after another, choosing growth every single day. It's about turning knowledge into power and power into results. The question is, are you ready to take that step? Want to learn more about building unstoppable habits? Click on the next video now and continue your journey to mastery.